Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV. We click on settings. In this page here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Pluto TV. Here in this page of app and file we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage, and here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.